What's up guys, this is Linus the Taiwanese with the Chinese online. After dating for a period of time, your Chinese partner might want to bring you to meet the parents. You might not be aware of it, but this is actually kind of big deal. If you have no clue of what it truly represents or what to do, don't freak out. I've got your back.
Number 1. Are you ready for this? 你真的准备好了吗？
This is a question that you must ask yourself before deciding to meet your partner's parents. Meeting parents is kind of a big deal in our culture. It's an obvious hint that your partner
is serious about relationship
and wants to take it to the next level. It doesn't mean that you have to get married right away, but it definitely shows that your partner looks forward to building a long and stable relationship with you. If you are not ready for this or just feel that the timing is not right, then it will be better for you to tell your partner how you feel before your partner expects too much from you.
Number 2. Learn Chinese. 去学中文
Again and again, I've mentioned this in many of my videos. Being able to speak each other's languages will allow you to communicate and understand each other better. Besides, there's a great chance that your partner's parents don't even speak English or your language. However, if you can speak fluent Chinese, they're gonna love you. Even though you may just have got started with learning Chinese, knowing how to say just a few basic phrases, greetings, and useful words can go a long way. It's also an excellent way to break the ice.
Number 3. Dress properly. 穿着得宜
Don't dress too flashy, too stylish, or show too much of your skin. Playing it safe is always the best policy when it comes to meeting your partner's parents. I bet you know what to do.
Number 4. Bring a small gift. 带伴手礼
In Chinese culture, there's a saying that goes, 礼多人不怪. Nobody will blame you for being too polite. The character Li is the Li from 礼物, gift, and 礼节, etiquette. I strongly advise you to bring a small gift such as fruits or snacks that the parents like. Even though they might say you're being too polite, you don't have to do this. You must insist on giving the gift and hand it over with both hands. If you do so, trust me, you will win some extra points.
Number 5. Help with the dishes. 帮忙洗碗
If you meet and eat at the parents' house, it would be nice if you do the dishes or help clean the table after the meal. Showing you are willing to share housework is a significant plus. Thank you so much for watching this video. Of course, the above listed things simply provide a general idea. There are a lot more details you need to experience and learn on your own. Spending a bit more time discussing things with your partner before meeting the parents is also essential. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. If you like my content, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. Your support means a lot to me. Have a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Bye!